Hi, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to edit orange and gray tone filter in Lightroom mobile app. Here are example photo, before and after using this filter. The preset download link, in description. So let's start editing. Before watching the video, please subscribe our channel for more content and like the video. First go to Light. Now go to Curve, and copy the settings. Next go to Color. Go to Color Mix. Next go to Effects. Go to Profiles. Go to Detail. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget subscribe and like. Goodbye.